Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. In the lecture series of Material Studio, we are at the lecture number 7, and today we will learn how to cleave surface and how to build a vacuum slab. This is a cleave surface with a plane 101 of titanium dioxide. So how to make this? Let's open Material Studio. This is a pure titanium dioxide from inner test phase. So for cleaving the surface, click on build and click on surfaces, and from here select cleave surfaces. Put the direction over here, so we already put 101, and thickness also, and then simply click on cleave. So we will see the surface is cleaved. Yeah, okay. Now there is rule for in Material Studio for calculation. You must build vacuum slab for calculation. If you don't make, so you are not able to run any job. So now for this, click again on build and click on crystal, and then select build vacuum slab. So here is three things. The first one is vacuum orientation, and the second one is vacuum thickness, and the third one is the crystal thickness. So we set vacuum orientation C, and vacuum thickness 10 angstrom, crystal thickness 13 angstrom, and slab position 00. So simply after setting this, simply click on build. So we just cleave the surface, and we build a vacuum slab simply. If we compare this with the previous literature, so we make it very accurately. This is a 101 surface, and this is our surface. So that's all about cleaving a surface and building vacuum slab. With this, thank you very much. If anyone have any question, so please feel free to ask.